Hey guys, welcome to VTishAcademy.com, and here in this presentation we are going to discuss about binomial theorem. So what is a binomial? We already know that any algebraic expression with two variables is called as a binomial. Now let us observe the following powers of x plus y, which is a binomial. So if the power of the binomial term x plus y is 0, then we get the value as 1, since the value of a power 0 is equal to 1. And if the power of the binomial x plus y is 1, then we get the value as x plus y. And now let us find the expansion for x plus y whole square. So we know that it is in the form of a plus b whole square. So let us write this in the form of the formula. We get x square plus 2xy plus y square. And now let us expand the term x plus y whole cube. So let us write this in the form of formula a plus b whole cube. We get x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. And similarly, we can find the expansion for x plus y whole power 4, x plus y whole power 5, and so on. So what we observe in these expansions? So first, let us observe the powers of x plus y. So when the power of the binomial term is 1, we have the number of terms in the expansion as 2. And similarly, when the power is 2, then the terms in the expansion are 3. And when the power is 3, then the terms in the expansion are 4. So by this, we can conclude that the number of terms in the expansion is 1 more than the exponent. We also observe that the exponent of the first term in the expansion is same as the exponent of the binomial. We know that the expansion for x plus y whole power 1 is x plus y. That implies here x into y power 0 plus x power 0 into y. So coming to the RHS side, here we observe that in the first term there is no y term. So the power of y would be 0. And coming out to the second term, as we don't have here x term, the power of x would be 0, that is x power 0. Now let us consider the binomial term x plus y whole square, and we know that its expansion is x square plus 2xy plus y square. So here we have the power of x in the first term as 2, and the power of x in the second term as 1, and the last term the power of x is 0. And similarly, the power of y in the first term is 0, whereas in the second term is 1, and coming to the last term, the power is 2. So we observe that subsequently in each successive term, the exponent of x decreases by 1 with simultaneously increase of 1 in the exponent of y. And now let us find the exponent of each and every term of the binomial term x plus y whole cube. So here the power of the first term is 3. And the degree of the second term would come as 3, and coming over to the third term, we observe that degree is 3, and the last term, which is y cube, we have the degree as 3. So we observe that the sum of the exponents of x and y in each term is equal to the exponent of the binomial. So it would be very difficult to find the expansion for the binomial term x plus y whose power is any natural number. So in order to overcome this difficulty, so there is a general formula to find the expansion of x plus y whole power n, which is given by nc0 into x power n plus nc1 x power n minus 1 into y plus nc2 x power n minus 2 into y square plus so on plus ncr into x power n minus r into y power r plus so on plus ncn into y power n. So here nc0, nc1, nc2 plus so on, ncr plus so on, ncn are called as the binomial coefficients. And the formula to find the binomial coefficient, which is represented by NCR, is given by n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial, where n factorial is the product of the natural numbers, say 1 into 2 into 3, so on n. So in expansion of x plus y whole power n, the r plus 1th term, which is represented by tr plus 1, is given by ncr into x power n minus r into y power r, which is nothing but the general term in the expansion of x plus y whole power n. So this was a basic introduction on binomial theorem. In our next video, we are going to prove binomial theorem by using mathematical induction. So refer to more videos on binomial theorem on our website VTishAcademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.